Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm going to be taking a look at, doing a quick unboxing, initial first look at this power bank from AUKEY. This is a 26,800 milliamp hours, so this is a big, pretty decent sized power bank. First thing I'd like to thank is AUKEY for sending this over to the channel for an honest review and unboxing, so I do appreciate that. Thank you so much. And so we're just going to take a quick look at this, and then I'll follow up the end of the video with my thoughts after using this over the next few days to a week, just to give a full picture of how this performs in real life. But again, it's a 26,800 milliamp hour universal power bank. It has power delivery 3.0 and Qualcomm quick charge 3.0. So if you have phones that can take advantage of quick charge, this will work with them, so that's great. So, just typical AUKEY, gives you the plastic wrapped box, and we'll take a look. So what do you get in the box? You get your little sticker about the warranty, 24-month product warranty, user manual. You can read that, and you get a USB-C to USB-C connector cable. Then you get the device itself in this somewhat kind of padded, has a pocket here too, so you can store maybe your cable or some other cables in there, which is kind of nice. This is kind of like a mesh material. If I can get it out. So kind of like a see-through mesh material. And then here's the device. Yeah, so this is pretty beefy. Yeah, so here it shows you a little bit on like where you can power input. So the in and out is on the USB-C port only. So you can charge this via the USB-C port, and then the other ports on the... So USB-C acts as a power in and out, and then the other two are just outs. So if you look at that, and they even label it below there so you don't kind of mess it up. So in, out, out, out. So this is the power delivery port, is the USB-C. The Qualcomm quick charge port is the regular USB on the end. Yeah, so this is pretty beefy. So this weighs 20.9 ounces. So, about a pound and whatever, half. Yeah, up 1.3 pounds. Yeah, so 1.3 pounds or 20.9 ounces, which is, it's fairly significant. And just from a measurement perspective, 1.1 inches, 1.2 inches thick, and about 6 inches. It's about 6 inches long. 3.5 inches. So 3.5 inches wide, 6 inches or so long. A little bit over an inch thick. So it's a pretty significant battery bank. It's definitely not something you're going to probably want to carry in your pocket, but carrying it in a bag or whatever, it's probably not too bad. Oh, this thing is totally dead. But you can press this little power button, and it will show you like the LED lights on how much power is left in it. So 25, 50, 75, 100, and then you just plug it all in. So I'll charge this up, I'll check it out, and I'll give you my thoughts at the end of the video on how this works with various devices, if there had any issues with getting it to work with like Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra or an iPhone XS Max or anything like that. So, and it does have somewhat of a matte finish here, although you can see it does look like it picks up fingerprints and smudges fairly easily. But it doesn't really matter that much, I guess. Most of the time, if I'm using it, I'll probably keep it in this little cover. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'll charge this up a bit, test it out, and I'll jump over to the computer, tell you my thoughts at the end of the video. So let's hop over to the computer. So I've been using this power bank for a few days now, and I will have to say, basically, this is probably the biggest power bank I've used. I mean, it is the biggest power bank I've used. The only other one I've had that had a pretty big capacity is a 20,000 milliamp hour, which also is an AUKEY product. But this one is great because it does have basically like a maximum 65 watt power output. So if you have something like a MacBook Pro, the smaller one, like a 13-inch MacBook Pro or Air, or some sort of Google Pixel book or things like that, you could actually charge that device with this while using it, even because the inputs on some of the on those devices is about 65 watt or lower. So you can power and use the device with this battery, which is really cool. Now, I have 15-inch MacBook Pro, and I can't charge this while I'm using it because basically it's consuming more power than that. But if I turn it off and I plug it in, I can actually then charge up the battery a bit if you need to, right? So, I mean, personally, that might come in handy occasionally for me on the bigger MacBook if I'm on a plane or something like that, and I don't really need to use the laptop, but I want to charge it up a little bit. That's potentially a use. But then beyond that, you can charge your Galaxy S20, your Galaxy Notes, your Galaxy S10s, iPhone 11 Pro, Macs, iPads, all that. You can charge quite a few times with the capacity that's in this battery bank. I will link to the Amazon listing, and it gives you a little bit more information about the product, but really it's really great, I think, for a variety of different devices. And the other thing to note about this is it does allow for rapid recharging. So if you use a charger that has a 45 watt power delivery output to the USB-C in, you can accelerate the charging of this device so it doesn't take as long to charge it up, because if you use a slower or a smaller capacity wart to plug to charge this, it's going to take some time to charge, right? Obviously, because it's 26,000 milliamp hours. But the good thing is it does take a fairly high input, so you can charge it up quick as well. So that's pretty nice. So overall, I mean, I'm really happy with this. I'm going to use it some more, obviously, over the course of the next weeks and months, and I will report back if I have any issues with it at all. But from my limited testing in the past week, in for the MacBook, for my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, iPhone XS Max, and other devices I've had, it's worked really well. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. I will link to this in the description. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.